Good morning, beautiful people.
Good morning, good morning.
Island Tribe,
Welcome
family.
back.
How are you all?
Yeah, man. So, guys, I know you see from the title right now, you see it, and yeah, you guys must be wondering where we're going. Is it another country or what's going on? Well, stick around and find out. But today, we're catching our first flight together as a family, very first time. You see, so super excited. And we can't wait. We'll tell you where in a bit, but make sure you watch the video to find out.
Yeah. And La Island's in the back there.
Yeah.
Had a little bit of a trip this morning.
Yeah, man.
Mummy was getting ready, and Daddy and Mummy were getting ready and everything.
Yeah.
And Island kind of almost fell down the stairs at the front of the house.
But he's good now.
But he's good now, as you can see. If I zoom in, let's zoom in, let's zoom out, let's zoom in.
Bubba, look at you.
Hi, mister. You say hi to everybody? Yeah, good boy. Right, guys, right now we're on our way to our destination.
Yeah, we packed everything away, you know, packed suitcase. Every time we don't even know what to pack, you know, so yeah, we finally have everything. And as I said, the bag again come in handy, all the camera gears.
And Bobo's little drink bottle.
Yeah, you see it, so.
That's what's up.
Yeah, man, we're fully ready, I know.
We're ready now.
Yeah.
Okay, so stay tuned.
Yeah, man. We on a roll now. Let's go now.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Island boy.
It's not looking. Voila. Our first flight together.
Yeah.
Finally.
Waiting. Anticipating. I love how it blurs out my background. You can't see, no one can see. That's really good. So we're here at the airport. It was crazy driving down here and we made it on time.
Definitely. One crazy trip.
One crazy trip.
Yeah, even though
I feel like I was on the speedboat. On a speedboat. On a speedway speedboat. Yeah, it was crazy. And so me and Babe checked in our luggage and we're really hungry.
So we have to get something.
Early morning, you know. Anyways, yeah. Now here we go. Our food's ready. Alright, I'll give you the name. You tell me what happened.
Yeah, guys, so very late. So we missed our first flight, and then we scheduled for the next flight. So yeah, that's until like 1:55.
And I thought they were going to charge me.
Yeah, which they didn't. So that was really good. So very soon, guys, we'll be on our way. So stay tuned. Let's go now.
Wow. Whoa, we're gonna go. We're gonna go there. You wanna go there? Look. Big plane. Big plane. Wow.
Alright, guys, so going on the plane again, guys.
This time as a family.
Yeah, as a family this time, guys. Excited, it's raining though. Woo! Oh, this way?
Yeah, we're in the middle.
Okay. Let's get a thumbnail, babe. Turn around, get a thumbnail.
Alright, guys.
Oh, the plane. Hopefully I get the plane in it. Probably only too low. Anyway.
Only your larger bags, wheels first, into an overhead locker. If you're seated in an exit row or at a bulkhead, you will need to put all of your personal belongings into the overhead lockers.
You want to go to the window?
Window, you go. Lowering the armrest. And be reminded that smoking of any kind is not permitted on an aircraft including the use of e-cigarettes. Once the last cabin door is closed, you'll be required to place your personal electronic devices into flight mode for the duration of the flight. Please let us know at any time if you need any assistance.
Here guys. Finally.
Island, you're gonna have to move Island, sit on my lap or your lap.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I'll let
and
you
put
sit
the
on.
belt
Yeah.
on.
Let me get the yeah.
Hi guys, so we're finally on the plane. Yeah. We haven't told them yet where we're going.
No.
They don't know. It's a
When
secret
we
still.
arrive.
Okay, when we arrive.
Look at him dude. He's literally vlogging.
Okay, what are you telling the people? Hey?
Can you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign. In the forward and rear door to disembark. For the customers disembarking via the rear door, please ensure you hold onto the handrail as you get down the stairs. Follow the directions of the staff for a safe passage into the terminal. If you are travelling with small children or have concerns using the stairs, please use the forward door to disembark.
So we just arrived now, guys. Yeah. Bobo Island. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Got our luggage now.
Yep.
Island.
Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Sit there. Okay, ready? We are in
Sydney! Yeah, guys, so finally arrived. You know,
we decided to come back here, guys, because we're not too sure. Once again, with the borders being closed, they're not really opening until the end of December, so or mid-December. So we're actually just waiting. Waiting, and we thought, well, why not? Let's go to Sydney.
Yeah, you see it. So we here, guys. You know, we spending like what 3 days here. I mean, three nights.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're very excited, guys.
It's only a
Discover
short
new
trip.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also, you know, see my mother-in-law again, of course. You know, so yeah, it's new.
And catch up hopefully with other friends of ours as well, and my brother and his girlfriend.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna have a a good time with family once again and friends. So,
Definitely.
Yeah. So we're just waiting on a shuttle bus to go to get our car rental.
Yeah. Because what happened from the first flight, I don't know if we explained it properly, but we actually missed our first flight, you know, because we're a bit late, you know. So luckily we rescheduled for the next flight, available flight, and yeah, it wasn't really long after, probably like an hour and a half wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we got that, we got on that one, you know. So yeah, I mean, yeah, we didn't even pay extra, which babe was worried, you know, we probably would have paid extra, which I guess, yeah, no, that wasn't the case.
More. So now we know on Sunday when we're going back, we've got to be at the airport super early.
Super early. So we're here now, guys, and yeah, let's see what Sydney have to offer to us.
Yeah, well, I mean, we've been here. I came to pick up Babe here, but the problem is
we never
really got time here.
Yeah, we head straight back home, so now I get to see a better view of the city and a little more, you know, see what it's like on the ground, you know. So
an island boy, island,
little Bobo, island, smile.
Of course, he's going to give you that $1 million smile.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys, so stay tuned until we get to our accommodation.
Yeah, let's go now.
All right, blessings.
All right. Alright, guys, so we just, you know, got to a rental. This one we're working with. Yeah, and the rain is coming, by the way, so let's get everything inside. So this is the ride we have. I love it. Got the seat. Looks nice. Suave. Yeah. Here we go. And the rain has started. I heard it's been crazy rain in Sydney. Hi. Why are you looking like that?
The ride is hot. Fire.
Coming in that shuttle bus a while ago was crazy.
It was crazy hot. So we're just sitting in the car getting some AC because it was really hot.
Really hot.
So now we're going to drive to the hotel.
Yeah. And I guess get something to eat because I don't feel hungry.
Really? Well, we better go buy something to eat.
Yeah.
Maybe go for a ride down Westways then.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah, so stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.
The big city of Sydney, you know?
Big city of Sydney, guys! Woo!
Busy life here, you know?
Look at Bobo's falling asleep.
Already? Hi. Oh, he's sleeping. Oh. Look at that smile.
Goody,
That's a sleeping smile.
That's a sleeping smile. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, man.
Lock the doors.
We're on a roll now. Let's go now. Seatbelt on, safety, you know.
Alright, guys. Press brake pedal to release. Okay.
Everything digital about them thing are stuck.
Alright, got it.
I idiot to them kind of people. Can't have no problem.
Alright, guys. Woohoo!
Here we
Here
go.
we go. We don't know what the volume is here.
Woo! Anything you wish me, make them the talker.
This car is smooth, guys.
Be nice, man.
I think this is like a 2001 or 20 or 2020. It's like one of those cars where you feel like the engine's not even on.
Yeah,
you can't even
it's
hear
silent.
it.
It's silent, man.
Yeah.
Well smooth.
Wow, this is the thing, guys. Just give thanks, you know,
Yeah, man.
for every little thing, you know.
Definitely.
Amazing.
Tell
I'm
ya.
loving it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, guys. So this one is for all of my country people, you know. Yeah, city life.
City life, guys.
City life.
Mad to the world.
Yeah, man.
What's this?
What's that? I have no idea. Audio apps, home,
What's
back.
that? What's that do? Oh, wow.
Oh, control the music and everything there too.
Wow, okay.
That's crazy.
I think I want this car.
It's sweet.
We are like big kids at a candy store.
I swear.
I enjoy when we get it, you get it. You enjoy it.
Yeah.
That's how it is supposed to be.
Definitely.
Enjoy everything about life.
True.
So, yeah, just giving thanks.
Yeah, man. So I want to big up all of our Caribbean watchers, you know.
Yeah.
All the people from America, you know, that's where we actually have our #1 people viewing from, you know, America. You know, I know lots of you guys aren't American as well too, but you know, that's a location that the YouTube studio, you know, recognize. So yeah, big up to all the people from England, from Canada, all over the world, wherever you are, Jamaicans out there, whether you're not Jamaican or what, whether you're in an interracial relationship or have an interracial family, big up yourself, you know, big up yourself from you're a part of the tribe, you see it, and continue to journey with us. Yeah, man.
Yeah, big up everyone.
Yeah, man, really appreciate you guys being here all the time. Yeah, man, because you guys didn't have to be here, don't you? So, big up yourself. Yeah, man, so this is Sydney, guys. Sydney, Australia. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, tall building again. Yeah, guys, baby's telling me that these are some houses, like old houses. Yeah. And these homes would be like really expensive, or these are like cheaper ones?
They're not cheap. You're looking at like $1 million.
For real?
These houses, yeah.
And
they're
like
quite long. They look small,
Yeah.
but they're actually quite long, and they're quite modern inside. They're very modern houses.
Okay.
Yeah, they're beautiful though.
Wow.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. And you say like rent here, it's not cheap either.
No, not in the city, never.
Yeah.
Actually, the whole of Sydney
Yeah.
rent is never cheap now.
Yeah, as I've heard before, like Australia is a very expensive place to live, but I guess mainly in the city, right?
Yeah, mainly in the cities it would always be more expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, you have to be working. Yeah.
Very hard.
Multiple jobs, you know?
Yeah, probably 2 jobs you'd get away with living here.
Yeah. For real.
Going to King's Cross now.
So these are Hall homes still.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Hey guys, nice under here, you know? Cool. Can tell under here must be very cool, even when it's hot. Well, it probably don't even make a difference, I don't know. But yeah, guys.
King's Cross.
That way?
That way. King's Cross.
Okay.
And Bondi is that way.
Yeah.
Famous beach of Bondi.
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 So for all the people that don't know, you used to live in Sydney. This is where you grew up. Yeah. So how long have you been living here, and when did you move?
Okay, so 7 years ago I moved into
Okay.
country because I got sick and tired of Sydney. Like, it's so busy, as you can see. Like, the traffic is just never ending and all that kind of stuff. So I decided that, where I'm living now is probably better. I don't remember dates. I think it was back in 2014. But I grew up in Sydney from when I was a little girl.
Yeah.
Yep. So we migrated here and we moved to Maroubra, which is a really nice area. And then Mum and Dad decided they wanted to buy their first home. So we moved, and it was a lot cheaper to buy houses in Western Sydney. So we lived out west.
Yeah.
So I hopefully to take you guys there for a little ride and show you where I live.
Sounds good.
Yeah, and where I grew up and all of that. So yeah,
definitely.
It's a good memorabilia.
Yeah.
And I'm liking those lingeries right there.
You know, I had a glimpse of them earlier too. Guys, I don't know if you see.
Babe, imagine me wearing one of them.
Oh my god. Guys, don't follow me. You know?
Nothing wrong with spicing things up, hey, everybody. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
Yes, Rasta.
Flip the camera up so I can see myself. Nah,
you're good. I keep it focused on you, baby.
This is King's Cross.
King's Cross. And what's King's Cross about? What is it famous for?
It's famous for its nightclub. It's famous for the food.
Yep.
It's famous for a lot of gay people come here. So there's a lot of gay nightclubs. A lot of freaky shit happens here at King's Cross. Let's just say it's a freaky place.
Okay, I don't need to comment on that.
That's it. That's what it's for. Sydney is King's Cross is for that. That type of vibe. If you're into that party nightlife, this is where you come.
Yeah.
And if you're into that freaky stuff too.
Oh my god.
Hence to say why you see sexy lingerie, and you'll probably see lots of adult shops and things like that here too. Yep.
They promote and sell those things.
Did you see that guy in a taxi? He was like dancing and shaking his head looking at me.
I didn't realize.
Yeah, because people, Anyway, whatever. So this is like the night strip at King's Cross. You can wind your window down, obviously.
Yeah, true.
Look.
Hey guys, we're definitely gonna give you guys a walk tour, so you guys get a better view as well. So stay tuned for those videos, you know. But we're just driving through, giving you guys a view still. Yeah. So where would you say is like the heart of Sydney?
George Street.
George Street?
Yeah, this is Oxford Street.
Okay.
So yeah, you can see like, all these kind of things around.
Yeah. All it's all been building, guys. Yard man up in a foreign. You like the last time someone comment and say me act frightened because me they are foreign, and me act frightened because of the buildings and all of this, like Jamaica have that. I never said Jamaica don't have that. But what if I just wanna feel like I just being free spirit, being excited, nothing wrong with that, Sometimes some people.
Let me tell you something. We get excited over the smallest things, like driving a car. To me, is exciting.
Exactly.
Going to a park is exciting. Like lots of things to us are exciting.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that we are hyping or being stush or whatever you want to call it.
You see it.
We're just adventurous people, and everything excites us.
Free spirit, We don't try to hold back our emotions, you understand? If we feel excited, that's how we're gonna put it out, you understand? We don't try to pretend and be like, whatever. You know what I mean? If I feel that way, I'm gonna express it. Why not? So for those people who calling me, I'm frightened for this and frightened to be in a new country and this and that, well, look to you. Understand? I'm just sharing how I feel. You see it? Yeah, man. Guys, city life, man.
Remember, guys, also talking about this is remember the very first time you migrated, to all the people that live overseas, the very first time you migrated to another country, right? Think about that excitement, that moment where you felt like, wow, I'm in another country.
Yeah.
There's so many people,
Yeah.
many cars, many buildings, like, you know what I mean? Like, that excites
Exactly.
you. That's an
That
exciting
whole new
moment.
experience, you know?
Exactly right. So guys, you know, it is what it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Enjoy the moment with us, guys.
Exactly.
We love to take you around with us.
Exactly. And those people will never change me from being all I am.
That's right.
You know, so
That's right.
I'll express it.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Black Friday deals. That's probably tomorrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
They got like
So
specials.
bless up. So you say it gets more like busy here as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah, this is busy.
It's because of COVID why it's not this
Yeah.
busy. I mean, like
I've
more
gotta-
busy,
I've
right?
gotta- Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and do this.
All right.
Alright, this is Pitt Street. So Pitt Street and George Street's the next street down. This
Okay.
is really busy.
Very busy place.
Yeah, I remember coming here. Oh my god, they've got beautiful Thai down that street down there.
So these places would have like lots of clubs and bars and
Yeah,
stuff like that.
bars, as you can see, food.
Yeah.
Japanese.
Japanese.
And a sushi train and thing, and oh god, Sydney is just a vibe. V-Bar is a bar. The three, yeah, you can see this bar here. It's like
okay.
they've got pokies and that. We might come on
Yeah, we'll
Saturday
definitely
night,
do a walk
Beam Island
through.
with my mum, and
Yeah, we'll do a walk-in video.
yeah, we'll do a little walk through.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, city life.
You know, the buildings are so old, and you know, so you know, with a little line there.
Yeah.
It's just, you know, back in the day, like.
Yeah, and they still look good though.
No, they look after them.
Yeah,
the
they
council
definitely
and
look after them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh wow, they've got sensors. I just realised they have a sensor.
Oh,
There's
when
sensors.
the bike just
Yeah,
passed close.
it's
Yeah,
censored,
it's in.
censored.
Yeah.
So on the corner there, is a really nice place that we used to go a lot. It's called the Three Wide Monkeys,
Okay.
and they have three monkeys at the top.
Yeah.
If it's still there, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, they do have the monkeys on top, and yeah, just a live bands and that. They've got 3 levels.
Oh, okay.
Nightclub basically.
Cool.
You got your level, your bar level,
Yeah.
and then you've got your middle level, which your DJ plays, and then you've got your top. I think it was a top level. I think it's 2 levels. I can't
Okay.
remember. But yeah, 3 wise monkeys.
Okay. Three wise monkeys.
Yeah, 3 wise monkeys.
Oh, that's them.
Yeah, 3 wise monkeys.
I never hear that zoom up.
Oh my god, the shoe place.
Yeah, guys. Ooh. Monkey over there. Yeah, babe, get excited about the shoe shop.
Yeah, I love sports shoes and things.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the prank.
Yeah, definitely.
Not the prank.
Yeah, the experiment.
The experiment.
Yeah. Yeah.
We've got nice restaurants here too.
Okay.
100 metres, we're going to the Harbour Bridge.
So we're close?
Oh, well, you want to hope so. It's taking me around the bloody whole world.
That's crazy, man. Yeah, so we're actually going to our hotel, guys. So yeah, following the GPS. And as I'm seeing as well, babe, heaps of Asians, heaps of Asian people, guys. So
Down here is actually, they call it the Chinatown. So Chinatown is basically everywhere you go. It's
Okay.
just Chinese. They have Chinese markets here as well. Which is,
Okay.
yeah, we'll go to as well.
that's why I'm seeing so many of them.
We're going to go to... Darling Harbour, we're going to come here and do a walkthrough as well. It's
Yeah.
beautiful there, babe. Like, even tonight we could come.
Okay.
Absolutely beautiful.
Alright, guys, so we just arrived at our hotel.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I'm hungry. So
Yeah.
we got restaurants all around us, which is good.
I
B1
tell
and
you,
B2.
heaps of Asian restaurants too. I'm like, what the hell? But yeah, it's what it is. So.
We're not gonna eat at that. I know a place where we can go.
Yeah. So this is like deep underground, man. Underground parking.
It's B2.
And the hotel is up top.
Yep.
Sheesh.
Oh shit.
It's crazy how they make these places in the cities, yo. Like,
Can we park here?
where did she say again?
B1, B2 anyway, she said.
Okay.
She just said B1, B2, so I'm just thinking maybe we can park.
Yeah.
We can park. Yeah, in 66.
Okay. Damn, it goes deeper.
Yeah, it does. This
What
is like,
the hell? Literally, guys, it goes deeper down.
Yep.
This is real underground parking, man. Alright, guys. So let's get these things out of the car. Bobo, sleepy head. Sleepy head, Bobo. Hi. Sleepy head, Bobo. Wakey, wakey. Sorry to wake you, but we just arrived.
Just away by now.
Hey, Bobo. Let's go. Take us down here, guys. Where we going?
Up or down?
Must be up, I don't know. Really?
It might be ground. What do you reckon?
I have no idea. She didn't tell us what floor to go on.
Ground.
Oh, G for ground.
Yeah.
Always feel dizzy. It's just like the plane now. This is what it feels like.
Ground floor.
Alright. Here we are. There she is. Woo. So here, guys. So I'll catch you back in a bit. So just checking in now.
We're checking out.
Yeah, time to go to our room. The lift after lift. There we go.
She said number 3.
Oh.
Coming in.
Okay.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, he's there. Yeah.
Is this us?
Yeah. So guys, we're here at the hotel apartment.
Yeah, we just reached
We
now.
just reached now. We're just about to go into our room.
Yeah,
So just, tired, gonna freshen up, and then we're gonna go get something to eat.
Yeah,
so thanks guys for staying with us.
This will be a to be continued video, so yeah, we'll close up this vlog right here, guys. So I want to thank you all for reaching this far into the video. You see it, so catch us in the next part.
Catch us in the next one, guys.
Give you the room tour and everything what we do after this. So
For real.
stay tuned, guys.
Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give us a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Is it me? Yeah, man. Blessings.
Bless.
Catch you in the next one, guys.
Bye guys.
All right.